I need a new transmission. We all love this truck, but we knew someday I was gonna find the weak link, and yeah, I mean, I can't really complain too much. Yeah, let me just show you. Runs fine. Christmas tree as always, but that's because of the modifications. But when I put it into first gear, do you guys hear that? Okay, foot off the brake. That's first gear. Now when I put it into second, I mean, it's obviously working. I don't want to drive over the curb, but yeah, first gear is gone. Don't really know much to say about that. Either I'm going to rebuild it or replace it. I don't know what's cheaper right now. I don't know if we want to go a stronger transmission or what, but yeah, the transmission is gone. So yeah, it's kind of heartbreaking, but we'll get through it. Now, honestly, I wish I could just take this transmission out, take the engine out, just, you know, do the swap, do a V8. Thing is, I don't have any money. So you guys should go hit that subscribe button down below so I can do that. Now, for real though, like, I don't really have too much. I think I can get the transmission replaced like in a short amount of time, so you guys can see content of this. But yeah, at least I brought the Mustang out again, which I've been so obsessed with this truck I haven't even driven that much. So more Mustang content, which is good for some of you guys, but I mean, I'm definitely gonna miss this while it's down. So some people are telling me to sell the truck, and I'm like, dude, are you kidding me? Like, why would I do that? This thing, you can't find vehicles like this. I mean, just look at it. It's the most beautiful thing in the world. Now, at least you guys are gonna have more Mustang content, but I mean, stuff with this, it's kind of hard just because, you know, I have to go all the way down to Mexico, and, you know, it just, gas is expensive right now. So the truck, I mean, you can just go off-road and, you know, do anything like that, and it's all legal fun and all good and everything. But yeah, the Mustang, it's kind of hard to do that, but right, so I dropped my truck off at Ford. We're gonna be seeing what they're gonna do with it. I know wait times are extremely long right now, but at least we're getting somewhere, right? So if you liked the video, please leave a like, subscribe for more content. We just got to see, what's gonna happen with the truck, but it should be back shortly. So thanks for watching. See you later.